nang magiliw, pelas ng silangan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka nang maghitig, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisingil. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may nilagang tula, tawid sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng mata at mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituing nagtaraw niya kailan pa may magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhating pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Sa piling mo, aming ligaya ng pagmay mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Our wonderful greetings and welcome to the Bicol University family and also to the community which we are connected, and to the wonderful and challenging years of our foundation anniversary celebration this 2021. To our beloved President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, to our Vice Presidents, Attorney Joseph Bartolata, our Vice President for Administration, our Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, Dr. Luisa Mano, and our Vice President for Planning and Development, Professor Jerry Bigornia, to all our deans and directors, to all our department chairs, our faculty members, our beloved students. We also remember our Bicol University retirees, our alumni, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is my honor and my pleasure to welcome you to the opening program of this year's 52nd founding anniversary of our beloved Bicol University. From the past 52 years, we remember our founding fathers who have given their all in establishing our beloved Bicol University. So this year, we are commemorating another year and another milestone. And Bicol University family will be very happy to celebrate with you despite the growing threats of the pandemic. This year's celebration of the 52nd founding anniversary will have its theme, Bicol University at 52, continuing the tradition of quality education amidst the pandemic. We have been for more than a year already in the midst of the pandemic, yet Bicol University is continuing to soar high in its tradition of quality education. And we do this because of the hard efforts of our faculty members and our beloved students, including our support personnel in the non-teaching staff. So this year's celebration of the founding anniversary will give our general public, including the Bicol University family, wonderful and amazing activities that will connect to all our stakeholders, to our alumni, to our beloved students, to all our faculty members, our non-teaching personnel, including our retirees, and all those within the reach of the Bicol University. So as we celebrate, we express our gratitude to all of you who have made Bicol University of what it is now, continuing the legacy of quality education. So we are very happy and we are very grateful to commemorate with each one of you the happy years of Bicol University. Congratulations to our beloved Bicol University and happy 52nd founding anniversary. Thank you very much and a wonderful morning to one and all.
Sumasayaw ang langit habang lupa'y umaawi. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah.
Happy 52nd Anniversary Bicol University, continuing the tradition of quality education amidst the pandemic of 2021. We hope that everybody will enjoy the BUIC for this year. Thank you.
It is such a wonderful thing that together we are with Bicol University in its 52nd birthday, prevailing upon the challenges hurled by the environment and continuing to be healthy and safe in pursuing its vision of becoming a world-class university, producing leaders and change agents for social transformation and development, and reaping a bunch of successes in the process. The College of Business, Economics and Management, represented by yours truly, Dr. Eddie C., greets and shares with Bicol University, especially its president, Dr. Arnulfo Mascareñas, the happiness, success, and blessings of its 52nd founding anniversary. Thank you, Bicol University. We are so lucky to be with you in your 52nd.
From the home of legacy leaders and social scientists, the Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy greets Bicol University a very happy birthday on its 52nd founding anniversary. Mabuhay!
From Bicol University College of Education, the home of future teachers, I would like to greet everyone, particularly the BU community. Congratulations and happy 52nd foundation anniversary. Despite all the things we are experiencing nowadays, we should not forget to be thankful that we have reached the 52nd year of being Bicol University. Congratulations.
From the home of Aragons, Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation, ang samuyang pagbati sa ika-52 na anibersaryo kan samuyang universidad.
Wow! Bicol University is 52 years old. It's middle age, but it shows no sign of aging. It is still strong as of this year, pandemic or no pandemic. Bicol University is as healthy as it can be because of the collective efforts of the stakeholders in the Bicol University community. We are proud because BU has come this far and will still go very far, of course, with the collective efforts of everyone. And that's a cause for celebration. Happy birthday, Bicol University! From the College of Arts and Letters. Cheers! Bye!
Happy 52nd birthday, Bicol University. Bicol University College of Science, being the nucleus of science and technology in the region, will continually strive to meet the highest level of student and clientele satisfaction in terms of giving quality instruction, research, and extension services to the university as well as to the region. Again, mabuhay ang Bicol University. Thank you.
Happy 52nd founding anniversary, Bicol University. From BU Pulangi, the campus of IT experts, creative engineers, passionate nurse achievers, dedicated teachers, accomplished entrepreneurs and food technologists, and professional skilled professionals. Mabuhay, Bicol University!
Congratulations, Bicol University, for continuing the tradition of quality education amidst the pandemic. Indeed, God has a plan to create a future full of hope. Despite the threat of COVID-19 to our life, to the health workers particularly, the angels of the sick room, many are still aspiring to be nurses. The Bicol University College of Nursing will continue to be of service to provide quality and safe nursing education. My gratitude to the administrators, faculty, non-teaching staff, and students. Without all of you, we would be nothing. Lastly, my salute to the Bicol University graduates. Mabuhay, Bicol University. Happy anniversary.
To the Bicol University community, happy 52nd founding anniversary. Greetings coming from the coastal area of Albay, Bicol University, Tabaco Campus. Mabuhay!
Good morning! Warmest greetings from the Human Resource Management and Development Office. As we celebrate the 52nd founding anniversary, let this be a reminder of our fruitful, dedicated years of service to Bicol University. Thank you. Happy anniversary, Biyueños!
Hubarin ang takot sa iyong damdamin, ipamalas ang angking galing. Tumayong buong tapang, harapin ang buhay, yakapin ang tagumpay. Tulungan ang kapwa't bigyang halaga, huwag hatakin ng pababa. Isipin huwag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo sa lubungin ng kinabukasan. Mandirigmang Pilipino, dakila ang lahi ko. Bayaning Pilipino sa makabagong panahon. Halina't hawakan ng aking kamay, sabay abutin natin ang tagumpay. Patuloy lang tayo sa pagpapanday, tiwala sa Diyos ang sandat at gabay. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo sa lubungin ng kinabukasan.
To my Bicol University family, happy 52nd Foundation Anniversary. Though we are in the very extraordinary times, I hope we could enjoy this celebration. Thank you very much.
From the Bicol University Open University, we would like to extend our greetings to the Bicol University community, the 52nd founding anniversary, a very, very wonderful anniversary. In Bicol University Open University, we are breaking barriers, connecting people to quality education. Thank you.
My dear friends, in behalf of the Bicol University Graduate School, the faculty and students, I would like to extend to you the greetings on this 52nd anniversary of Bicol University. And even in the midst of the pandemic, this will not stop us from pursuing our academic pursuits and in search for excellence and in search for a better future. And I wish that all of you, all of us will enjoy our celebration despite the scaled down activities, and yet it will not deprive us of the things that we need to celebrate in this year's celebration of BU anniversary. So thank you very much and best wishes to everyone. Keep safe, everyone.
Bicol University is 52. Happy founding anniversary, Bicol University, from the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development.
Greetings of joyful 52nd Bicol University founding anniversary. Ako po si Dr. Jonathan Aroco, ang dekano kang College of Industrial Technology. Minapaabot sa Indogabos kay riba kang pamilya kang samuyang kolehiyo nin maugmang pagselebrar kang ika-52 na pagkamundag kang satuyang university. Sa likod kay ning pandemic, mag-urugma kita, pero ingat po kita gabos. Thank you and mabuhay Bicol University.
Greetings of love, service, and happiness to everyone in this time of celebration. Connecting with young people occupies a very important place in Bicol University. My belief is to nurture the younger generation and develop in them a positive outlook on life, a passion to serve the community, a commitment to society, a sense of national identity, a love for the Bicol region, and an international perspective. I am therefore enthusiastic and wish to commend Bicol University's achievements in research and development, in engineering and technology, and its outreach programs, in building connections with national and international universities, broadening its network of student and faculty exchanges, which expands the horizons and opportunities of its student in nurturing confident and independent young adults for the nation in general. The university's strategic collaborations are no less impressive. Bicol University is in a new partnership with various prominent universities in the country in implementing the building, research, and innovation and development goals for engineering state universities and colleges, or we call the Bridges program, which is aimed to engage SUCs with engineering programs towards the development of high-impact research for socio-economic development. My congratulations for the very successful launching conference as of August this year, which has brought together universities with rich experience and expertise in engineering education in the country to share insights and experiences and explore other collaboration opportunities. Friends, history has endowed Bicol University with a singularly indomitable spirit and a clear and compelling passion for education for the past 52 years. I am grateful, therefore, to the university, its leadership and faculty, its students and alumni. Let me say as well that I am counting on BU's inspiring spirit to shine its torch of wisdom over the next 50 years. Thank you and happy 52nd Foundation Anniversary, Bicol University. Mabuhay!
For in behalf of the faculty members and students of Bicol University Institute of Design and Architecture, the unit where great ideas were born, this is Architect Leo Del Rosario, sending you a greetings for the 52nd Anniversary Foundation of Bicol University. Mabuhay ang Bicol University!
Congratulations, Bicol University, on its 52nd founding anniversary. Let us all remember its humble beginnings as it soars to what it is today. Over the years, BU have made a name for itself with halls of ivy that adhered to its mandate of scholarship, leadership, and service. Amidst the pandemic, BU remains unstoppable. BU remains committed to provide quality education. Let the celebration be an incitement of knowledge, hope, strength, and resilience that BU will try to be a world-class university as envisioned today. On behalf of BUCAF teaching and non-teaching personnel, we stand proud. We are Bicol University. Mabuhay, Bicol University.
This is the day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. In behalf of Bicol University Gubat Campus, I would like to greet the Bicol University family happy 52nd foundation anniversary. Foremost, let us praise God for giving us this opportunity to celebrate this occasion and declare for greater things and best things to come. Ang ating buhay sa Bicol University ay paganda ng paganda, paangat ng paangat at pataas ng pataas at matatag na pamantasan. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.
Good morning. From the Legal Affairs Office, we wish to extend our warmest greeting to every BUNU. A happy 52nd Foundation Anniversary. May this celebration continue to foster camaraderie and dedicated service to Bicol University for more years of success. Thank you again. Happy Foundation Anniversary.
The International Relations Office of Bicol University would like to greet each one of you. Happy 52nd Founding Anniversary as we continue to build milestones and waves of internationalization.
To my Bicol University family and fellow workers in government, my dear students, a pleasant day to all of you. 2 years and we're still in this pandemic. The vaccines have arrived, vaccination continues, but lives continue to be lost. Jobs are still scarce. The mental and health resiliency of many are hanging by the thread. The continuing surge in COVID-19 cases continues to prevent us from regaining any semblance of normalcy in education, particularly in our mode of learning. This is the present situation we all find ourselves in. And if we continue to look at this bleak situation, we might drown from its darkness. After all, there are so many things gone wrong in the world today. But what's right with the world? Our essential services have continued. In this part of the Bicol University world, learning continues. Education is still the heart and soul of Bicol University's existence. Flexible learning in the hands of our flexible, resourceful, and resilient faculty members has resulted in sustained and quality learning amidst the constraints of this pandemic. We continue to produce passers and top-notchers in licensure examinations. We continue to offer online trainings and forge local, national, and international partnerships for collaborative undertaking and productive partnerships. Our faculty members are continuously breaking barriers and advancing knowledge through their research and development undertakings unfazed by this pandemic. We have continuously supported our students with the necessary equipment for learning in this new normal, even if we started on slow and nimble footing. Now, we have slowly evolved into our own as we maintain the tradition of quality education Bicol University is known for. Our world in this part of Bicol University is somehow still right. Today, as we look back, at the 52 years that we have been a family in Bicol University community, I urge everyone to look back at the years we had with pride, happiness, and unending gratitude for every struggle won and every accomplishment done. I ask you to stick and stand by each other as one Bicol University family, undeterred by calamities and unbowed by the continuing challenges of a world gripped by this pandemic. With faith, hope, and love for who we are and what we have become as one Bicol University family, we will continue to stay strong and resilient as we hold on to our vision and make the dream of every Bicolano scholar a reality. Happy 52nd founding anniversary to our dear Bicol University.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we mark our 52 years of success and honored tradition of quality education, we have every reason to be proud of the university's past and present. And more importantly, to be excited about the future. I now declare the 52nd Foundation Anniversary Celebration open. Congratulations and happy 52nd Anniversary, Bicol University.
Do you ever feel like the plastic bag you threw through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel piece of paper thin, like a house of cards when broken with a chin? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet on the screen but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just all night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby you're a firework, come and show what you worth. Make them know as the shadow from the sky. You don't have to feel like the race explains you're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, so for a hurricanes, things are where you go. Maybe the reason why all the doors are closed, so you pull up and want to lead you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time to go, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just all night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby you're a firework, come and show what you're worth. Make them know as the of change.